Bus accidents can occur in two different ways. One is the bus driver's at fault, and another is if some other vehicle on the road is at fault. So the first thing you got to decide is who is at fault. If another vehicle is at fault and caused the wreck, then you would have a claim against the driver of that vehicle or the driver of that vehicle's insurance company. But if it's the bus driver that was at fault, then the law is markedly different. Bus drivers in the state of Alabama are called common carriers, and common carriers on Alabama highways have a heightened responsibility when they're driving. They have to use extraordinary care, unlike everybody else who's just using reasonable care. So that's why we see bus drivers stopping at every railroad crossing, because they have to be exceedingly careful. They also have to have a CDL, which is a commercial driver's license. So everybody on the bus has to be protected. Now, a second type of bus wrecks occur, like happened in Huntsville, Alabama, where a Lee High School bus went off of the 565 overpass, ended up killing 3 or 4 children in that bus accident. Now, that was found to be the fault of another vehicle, but actions were brought against the bus driver because there was some indication that that bus driver may have been negligent as well. But when you're dealing with a school bus, then those are more complicated than if you're dealing with a private bus transport company, because school buses are owned by a governmental entity. So whenever you have a claim against a school or a government, those claims can become very complicated because governments can be insulated from responsibility. The driver of the vehicle still carries the responsibility, but the actual school system or the state of Alabama may not, and they may be able to take advantage of a concept called sovereign immunity.